If you're watching this video and have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. And while you're doing that, don't you forget to hit the notification bell as well so you can be notified every time I upload a new. Before I get into this video, I would like to wish everybody a happy Easter. Hope you guys are turning up, being lit, you know, all that fun stuff. Say hi, everybody. Happy Easter. Can I say hi, Papa? Wave. Wave hi. Hello. Say hi. Hi, everybody. Now say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey. Bye-bye, everybody. See you later. Alright guys, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can achieve cute, beautiful curls or more defined curls using no heat. So it's an overnight process. So for this you will need bobby pins. I got these at the dollar store for $1, and you'll need a headband. So any one works. You can use this or you can use the thinner ones. I'm going to use this because my hair is obviously longer. Yeah, that's all you need for this video. You do not have to wash your hair. You could just detangle it and wrap it up, but I've washed my hair like 2 hours ago, so it's still kind of damp, so I'm just gonna do it because I like when it's damp. I find that the curls are more defined. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but you don't have to wash your hair or whatever. You also need a comb just to detangle your hair. Alright, so you could put oil in your hair or whatever products you before you start. So the first thing you want to do is section your hair according to wherever you wear it. I usually section my hair in the middle because that's where I like to wear it. And then I'm just going to tie, like make a little bun with this side, just so it's easier. And it will all make sense to you once you see what I'm doing. So I just detangle my hair. Then I take my headband, and you want to put this little bump thingy here. You want to put it in the back because if you put it in the front, it'll just leave a mark when you wake up tomorrow. You'll just have a big mark in your forehead. So I just put it around like this. And I know it makes you look like a ninja or whatever, but it's no heat. You're protecting your hair, so it's all good. Well, I mean, it's all good on my end. So you do that. And then I like to detangle it again just to make sure. You want to detangle your hair because once you start making the curls, like if your hair isn't detangled, then it's just a hassle. So to make things easier, you detangle your hair. And then you section it like this. So you take little sections and you just fold it in here. So you just, let's see, here. So you just take a section, you just pass it through the band, and you bring it down. And then you do the same until all your hair is folded up in the band, in the headband. So you don't mind my pimple, it's from this Easter weekend. I've been drinking a lot of pop, so it finally caught up to me. Yeah, so you take all of it, section it, and then you take a little bit, you pass it through. Oh. And it takes a little bit of patience, obviously. And then I just pull it so that this part can come to the front. And then again, you pick up where you left off and you keep going. You pick up where you left off and you keep going. You do that until all of this is finished, and then you start from the other side.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
So now that I've detangled my hair, see how my band is like this and my hair is like that? You want to get all of this under the band. So I'm going to just pass my hand and bring it, everything under the band. Because if it's over the band, then it's like one side is going to be flipped this way and the other side will be a different way. If you're into that, hey, you could keep that. But I'm just going to put it like that. I just detangled it again and then we start. So it's already there, like it's already under, so you section it a little piece. And you just pass this through like so. So you pass it through and you pick it up with your next finger. And then once that is passed through, you take the part that's passed through plus a little bit more and you do the same thing. Now the band gets filled up pretty quick, so what you want to do is just pull like that. This will move forward and then you'll have more space for the rest of your hair. It's actually pretty simple. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like all folded up. Oh, actually looks cute. Alright, so I'm heading to bed now and then I will show you the finished look after. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's been about 6 hours. I've slept, it's about 7:30 now. 7:38. So just before I take it up, I'm just going to show you guys how I do my makeup. So I'm doing everything today because I'm going out. So I'm all dressed up, I showered and everything. So with the makeup. I don't use a lot of makeup, it's very simple. So the first thing I do, so I wash my face. I don't have anything on right now. Let me show you guys the tissue paper. So I have nothing on. So the first thing I do is take a little bit of aloe vera oil. So this is finished, almost finished. There's just a little bit left. I got it at Winners, so I always put some of that first. So I put 2 drops, then I just rub it in my face gently. Then the next thing I do is take my foundation and today I'm wearing foundation because I don't have any powder left with me. My son broke it. But generally I would just put the oil on and then I put powder on. So in the summertime, that's what I do. I don't wear foundation because it gets too messy. So I always use the NYX foundation. NYX foundation in the shade beige. So I just take that, 2 little drops, and then I just rub it in my finger, like so. And then I just rub it on my face. I kid you not, this is what I do all the time. And I use a beauty blender or anything, I just do a quick makeup. Sometimes people think I have like tons of makeup on there, but I don't. This is generally what I do. And then I don't like to put too much on my forehead. For some reason, I feel like my forehead is always wider when I put makeup on. So I just put the last bits on my forehead. And then this makeup, the color, the shade. So this shade is perfect for my skin. It blends with my skin, so I don't put on my neck. But if you were using makeup, that's totally different. You want to blend it out with your neck. But my makeup is camouflage to my neck, so I don't put on my neck. And now the next thing I do is I use highlighter. I recently started using highlighter. Generally I would just leave this and put lipstick and go out. But today I'm just gonna put highlighter because I don't have any powder. So this, I don't know what's the name of it. I just got it at Forever 21 for $2 in sale. So, and this is broken as well because my son threw it down. See, it's all broken up because Ace threw it down. So I just take my two fingers, these two fingers, and then I just pat it in, and then take that and pat it on my face. Like so, and then I just rub it in. So once I get the headband off, then I'm gonna rub it better, like around the forehead, but this is generally what I do. Sometimes I pat my hand once and then rub it. Sometimes I do twice because these highlighters sometimes they don't show. And because I don't have powder, I wanted to show a little bit more. So I do that. And I just like it there. I don't like it on my nose or anything. Like, I don't know, so that's that. And then, so usually, like I said, I would use the NYX powder in beige, but I don't have any. And then I always put my lipstick. I love lipstick. Oh, sometimes I put mascara, but lately I've been having an allergy, like my eye huge and red, and inside, like the white part of my eyes is just red. So this lipstick is called Roach. I don't know if you can see Roach by ColourPop. It's one of Carucci's lipstick, I think. Yeah, Carucci, so it's Rouge. Okay, yeah, whatever. Yes. And I always love ColourPop lipstick. Yeah, and that's it. That's how I do my makeup. Easy, simple. Because I have a little pimple, I just blend the highlighter on it, just so that it doesn't show as red. Yeah, but generally this is what I do, and I'm good to go. See, I feel like just this little bit makes my face look different, like the highlighter. It just gives me a different glow. I just feel like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go cut this off camera. I'm not gonna pull it out, I'm just gonna cut it because I can't find my scissors. I forgot to buy one, and I had a dozen, but I don't know where they are. So I'm just gonna go cut it off with the knife. Cut it with the knife. All right, moment of truth. Whew, I just hope it looks as good. Oh, I'm just gonna remove the bobby pins before. Yeah, I just hope
thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, to my shadow, to the sun rays, and on we'll go.
now you can put like a little pin, like something very fancy, or you could just leave it just the way it is. You can break it up more. I'm just gonna yeah. Alright guys, there you go. No heat curls, very defined. I think it's really pretty. It's really easy. You just have to have patience when you're rolling it and when you're taking it out, as you've seen. Like I was just like, but you just have to have a little bit of patience, and then yeah, there it is. If you want to go to dinner, like I'm going to brunch, so this is my hair. I'm not into the heat. I'm not into spending 2-3 hours doing my hair when I could just do this, sleep on it, wake up, do my makeup, get dressed, and boom, just take it out and go. So if you like this video, don't you forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell as well so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Enjoy your Easter, have fun with your friends, your family, stay blessed, stay positive, spread the love, and new video coming out on Wednesday. Bye guys.